Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Airbnb reservation without penalty. For doing that, you have to open the Airbnb's official website, and after that we have to click on the trips, and after going to the trips, it will show us the overview of the reservation that we have made. So we have to select the reservations there, and then we have to tap on the contact host option, and then we have to click on change or cancel button, and then in the cancel reservation box select the next, and after that we have to choose the reason for the cancellation from the drop down menu and click continue, and after continuing with it we have to type in your message to your host explaining our reason for canceling or click continue, and then we have to review our refund details and make sure all the information is correct, and then click yes cancel. After clicking on the yes cancel button, this will cancel our Airbnb reservation that we have made. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.